हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टॉपर्स वर्ल्ड। और इस वीडियो में इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू important cue cards that are being asked by the examiner nowadays, and the students have sent me the feedback that such cue cards were asked to them or asked to their friends. So first cue card that was asked, which was I find very interesting, so I'm going to share with you. This is describe a time you received a terrible service. You went somewhere and you received a terrible service, and the points were when it was, where you went, how poor the service was, and say how you felt about that service. So sample answer can be related to you went to any restaurant, you ordered some food over there, the service was very poor, that your order was delivered after a long time, and the kind of food that was served, that was not up to the mark. Or you can say that you went to any bank, any private bank or government bank, and you didn't receive good service over there. You applied for credit cards or debit cards over there, and the process was very lengthy. Employees' attitude was very pathetic. They were very slow. They were not much interested in serving you. So such kind of examples you can mention over there for this cue card. And the second cue card is speak about a person who helps protect the environment. Speak about a person who helps to protect the environment, and the points were who this person is, how this person protects the environment, what difficulties this person has faced, and how you feel about this person. So you can take the example of any family members of your, or any social worker of your society, or any mythical example you can create, or you can talk even real life situations. If you know any person in reality who does a lot of things to protect the environment, you can talk about that, and you can find the solution of this cue card on YouTube. In many YouTubers have already uploaded this. Okay, the next is describe a skill that takes a long time to learn. A skill you learned and you took long time. What skill it is, how and where you can learn it, and why it takes a long time to learn, and explain how is it beneficial for the future. Or the topic can also be asked in many other different ways, like a difficult skill you learned, or a skill you taught to someone, just you need to change. In this case, you become a trainer or a tutor instead of a learner. So a skill you taught to someone, a skill you learned, a new skill you learned in last few days. So this topic, like you can talk about a car driving skill I learned, cooking I learned, and it was difficult skill for you in the beginning, and but later on you got success in that. Okay, another one is describe a time when someone didn't tell you the whole truth about something. The complete truth was not told to you, and the points were when this happened, what the situation was, who you were with, and explain why this person didn't tell you the whole truth. So examples can be like that any relatives of yours was seriously ill, and this news was given to you by someone known to you, and he didn't tell you the complete truth about his actual health situation. Or any news you heard about your result, your friend communicated you that about the result of your +2 class, but he didn't tell you the complete information over there. So such example can be there. Another cue card is describe someone or something that made a lot of noise. Who or what made the noise, what the noise was like, and explain that what you did when you heard such a loud noise. So you examples can be like that somebody was repairing his bike, and he was accelerating bike again and again in your neighborhood. Or a bullet bike with in these days in Punjab many boys use I don't know what the term is there, but that was a really very cracking sound, and they deliberately do it by making some modifications in their bikes or in their engines. And somebody was passing through the street again and again and creating that explosions in his bike. So you can take that example, or you can also talk about any construction work going on in your neighborhood, and that was created a lot of noise over there. And one more cue card: speak about an interesting person from a foreign country. You heard about an interesting person from a foreign country that you heard about. Who was that person, when and where you heard about it, what that person did, and why did you find that person interesting? So you can talk about any comedian from Pakistan, or any cricketer, any sportsman, or any politician that has done something remarkable. And yes, this one, the recently asked one cue card: speak about a leisure activity you enjoyed near sea. Any entertaining activity that you enjoyed near sea. So you can talk about like a party, you can talk about sunbath, you can talk about any musical event you enjoyed near sea. However, you should not speak about swimming in the sea or sea surfing, because this activity is in the sea. You are supposed to talk about an activity which you enjoyed nearby sea. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind while attempting this topic. And describe the first time you used a foreign language to communicate. First time any foreign language used by you to communicate, what the situation was, where you were, who you communicated with, and explain why you used a foreign language to communicate on this occasion. So you can say that you were in Golden Temple in Amritsar. Over there you saw some foreigners, a man and a woman or whatever, and they were in trouble. They didn't understand the Punjabi or Hindi language, or they needed someone who could translate their language into Punjabi to the policeman over there. So you worked as a translator over there and helped that foreigners to lodge their complaint to the policeman. Or you can also create any other example, depending on you were traveling and you met with a foreigner sitting beside you, and you started talking to him, and you used first time English language to communicate with that foreigner. Okay, and the next topic is yes, describe a time when you saw an interesting animal. What animal it was, where you saw it, and what happened when you saw it, and explain why you thought it was an interesting animal. So you can talk about a peacock, you can talk about wild boar, you can talk about a lion, anything you find interesting and you saw. You can talk about elephant as well. So it's not very difficult topic, you would get a lot of ideas on YouTube about this. So another topic is describe a time when you looked at the sky, either in day or night. This is a very old topic, but again recently asked. So what you were doing when you looked at the sky, who you were with, and what you saw, and explain how you felt when you looked at the sky. So you can talk like that: while flying a kite, I looked at the sky. Or after the rain, there was a rainbow and then you looked at the sky. Or you were just at the night time walking after dinner, and you looked at the sky and you found the stars over there. They were looking very beautiful. That gave you a lot of motivation, inspiration. Like such things you can talk about in case of such kind of topics. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will prepare all these cue cards for your forthcoming IELTS speaking test.